Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 18th of March 2014 market review. As you can see, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, that's the American markets, all of them closed very positive on Monday evening. The Dow closed 181 points up, closing to a level of 16,247 points. Looking at that end of day chart on quick charts, we will basically see this blue line is the share price. We came close to this red line, that's the 89-day moving average, bounced on it, and it actually moved up again. Now the big question is, with the Fed meeting due to, they're going to have a 2-day meeting. Today they start, and Wednesday we will have an announcement late afternoon after the markets close. So we could see a reaction on Thursday morning, how the Feds come to a conclusion about the stimulus of the markets and how the Americans will react to it late Thursday, late Wednesday afternoon. And as you can see on the technical side, in the charting, bounced on the red line here, upward movement. The next high is 16157. Looking at the close on levels was 16247. So basically it went higher. You see this green line of the 21-day moving average. If it's going to break it, then you will see an upward movement happening. I'm just looking here quickly, and I'm actually seeing a bit of a head and shoulder pattern here. Leg, shoulder, head. You need to see if this could go and conclude to a sideways and maybe a breakdown or maybe a breakup happening. But let's see if the pattern can play out in the physical short term. Shares to watch, Naspers. On a daily graph, you will see the blue line. That's the share price. Line A and line B will be very important to follow. Line A will be a price of 1,180, and line B will be a price of 1,135 points. Currently, this line B is a very important level to watch closely, because Naspers could come down the share price to this level here and most probably have a breakup happening. Please look at the levels of increase. If you want to look at this at 1,188 rand and 48 cents, 1,197 rand 34 cents. If this breakup continues. If it doesn't concede to go further upwards and it break this blue line, the red line here, the stop loss level will be 1,134 rand and 40 cents. Should it want to break down, that will be a stop loss level to use. Share did break down a lot. Expectation that it could be quite low at certain levels here. Keep a close eye on this trade. RBX, Robex. Looking at the share, blue line is the share price. Line A, please keep a close eye on the support levels here. Newsletter is indicating there's a shoulder, head and shoulder pattern here. Head and shoulder pattern. Leg, shoulder, head, shoulder here. Expectation. The share is currently closing below level of 22.20 rand. Expectation is to go and fall to almost 18 rand. So the thing is that they're actually saying is use the stop loss to me to 18. It's almost beyond this levels here. If it breaks this line, this red line here, next lows could be 22.74, 22.65, 22.30 to almost the level of 18 rand. If the share wants to actually break this, conclude this 21 rand level and go to this 18 rand level here at the bottom. Let's go and look at the indexes quickly. The J200, that's the top 40 shares. As you can see, went up, came down, went up, came down. There was this green line that we spoke about yesterday. Actually came close to this level, breaking a bit up. But the Fed meeting, everybody will keep close on the Fed meeting. That will give us most probably better direction by Thursday. A lot of uncertainty could be seen in our market for the next day or two. And Thursday, single stock future closeout is also happening. So there's a lot of things that's happening by Wednesday and Thursday in our current markets to track as well. Shares, banking sector, BGA. As you can see, Barclays Bank is, or the upside Barclays Bank did break up above the 140 rand level, but currently goes at 141. The banks did very well the last few days. So there's an upward channel happening here. The big question is, indicators is high. If you're not in, you're late. Indicators will show you basically it's very topish at this moment. Let's see if this could run further on. It's doing good at this moment. Even Standard Bank did well yesterday. Look at this beautiful upward channel. Look at this, what I'm going to draw up here. Beautiful upward channel here with these green lines. And you will actually see that this share is now on a high of 150 rand. Big question is, can it hold or start breaking down from this high to 130 back to 125, 123 level? So let's keep it tracking in the short term. Indicators is also quite topish. The sell-off could be due soon, but we will track it closely for you. Vodacom struggling to break this 125 levels. As you can see, closed at 125.15. Still above this levels here on the sideways. Shares always also a bit of high in price. MTN also breaking up as we expected yesterday. There's 211 levels, closed at almost 212. Very high at this moment as well. Next high of expectation could be the 216, 217, 217 levels. But let's see where this share can take us. Indicators also topish. If you're not in it, you're too late so far. Let's go and look at the other shares like Discovery. Still in the sideways pattern here, struggling between 77 Rand 49 cents and 79 Rand 51 cents in the short term. Imperial, still in the small downward channel here, still trading between the 21-day moving average, that's the green line, showing a bit of uncertainty here. But let's see what the share can do in the short term. I'm just going to pull up the Fibonacci here quickly. And as you can see, I'm going to draw this in. Currently testing this level of almost 168 Rand. If it breaks 168 Rand, definitely the next low will be approximately as 166 Rand in the short term. Aspen still a beautiful hidden shoulder pattern here. Let's see if it can play out. Still trading above this 277 Rand in the short term. Let's see where this share can take us with uncertainty in the market at this time. These are the shares that currently I'm watching, and enjoy your Tuesday afternoon. Thank you.